I am Professor Sukumar Maiti, retired professor and head of the Department of Surgery of Kolkata Medical College. Now I am working at the Professor and HOD Surgery at IKR Medical College, Haldia. As a part of the program of ARSI 2024, I am attending the conference at New Delhi. Today, our program is at Cobotics Center at IIIT New Delhi. Really, it is a unique program. Here, we, the medical professionals and the engineers from the country, different parts of the country are joining. Many engineers from IIT all over India has joined in this program. Really, what development is going on or improvement going on in the medical science, it could not be happen in this way until and unless there is unique contribution by the engineers in the technical part. So, it is our opportunity to collaborate with each other to see what is happening in the technical field, and we can work together so that the science of technology can be used in medical profession and patient care, particularly in the remote areas of the country at low cost and which is affordable and easily reachable. I hope the conference a grand success because of this union of the engineers and the medical professionals were very much needed. It should happen very off and on throughout the year. Thank you very much.